Band director conferences in the U.S. serve as a nexus of musical leadership, where the art of conducting meets the science of education in a symphony of professional development. These gatherings unveil the transformative power of music, guiding educators in honing their craft and inspiring students. At the heart of these conferences lies the role of bridging educational methodologies, performance excellence, and the creation of invaluable networking opportunities. Attendees are immersed in an environment that fosters learning, collaboration, and the sharing of innovative practices, all aimed at elevating the standard of band music education across the nation. The National Band Association stands as a premier event for band directors, offering a unique platform that celebrates the diversity and richness of band music. This illustrious gathering not only highlights the achievements of seasoned professionals, but also nurtures the aspirations of the next generation of musical leaders. The Midwest Clinic International Band, Orchestra, and Music Conference shines on a global stage, showcasing the latest in music education and innovation. It's a place where the boundaries of music are expanded, and attendees are exposed to cutting-edge techniques and philosophies in band music instruction. The American Bandmasters Association Conference serves as a rendezvous for legends of the band music world and those aspiring to reach such heights. It's an event where the legacy of band music is honored, and its future is passionately debated and shaped by the best in the field. Attending band director conferences offers unparalleled career growth, providing educators with a unique platform for learning and inspiration. These events are crucibles of creativity, where the exchange of ideas fosters professional development. The Texas Music Educators Association Convention stands as a testament to the blend of tradition and future trends in music education. Here, attendees immerse themselves in sessions that honor musical heritage while embracing innovative teaching methods. Networking at these conferences goes beyond mere acquaintance. It's about building lifelong professional relationships that support and enhance one's career journey. Such connections often lead to collaborative projects and mentorship opportunities. Educational workshops and clinics are the heart of these gatherings, offering hands-on experiences to refine skills and pedagogical techniques. Band directors and educators come away with fresh insights that can transform their teaching approaches. Showcasing the latest in musical instruments and technology, these conferences are a hotbed for innovation. Attendees have the unique opportunity to explore new tools that can elevate their music programs to new heights. The magic of live performances at band director conferences is unparalleled. Attendees experience the pinnacle of band music, showcasing the talents of both seasoned professionals and emerging artists. It's an auditory feast that inspires and educates. Band director conferences are not just about performances, they foster creativity and innovation in music education. Through workshops and seminars, educators are exposed to new teaching methods and compositions, enriching the musical landscape for their students. Presentations on scholarship and research are a cornerstone of these conferences, offering insights into the latest studies on music education and performance. This knowledge exchange contributes significantly to the advancement of band music, shaping its future. The impact of these gatherings extends beyond the individual. They enhance school music programs nationwide. Sharing successful strategies and programs, educators leave equipped to elevate their own music departments, benefiting countless students. Meeting top professionals in the field, from renowned conductors to educators and composers, offers invaluable networking opportunities. These connections can lead to mentorships, collaborations, and even career advancements, highlighting the importance of community within the music education landscape. Band director conferences are pivotal in nurturing young talent, offering competitions, scholarships, and performance showcases. These platforms provide students with unparalleled opportunities to shine and gain recognition in the music world. Vendors and exhibitors play a crucial role at these conferences, introducing attendees to the latest in music, instruments, and educational resources. Their presence is a bridge between innovation and classroom application, enriching the music education landscape. Success stories abound from band director conferences, where careers and music programs have been profoundly impacted. These events are breeding grounds for inspiration, showcasing the transformative power of music education on individuals and communities. Planning your visit to a band director conference can significantly enhance the experience. With a bit of foresight, attendees can maximize learning opportunities, network effectively, and discover new tools and techniques to bring back to their programs. The enduring legacy of band director conferences lies in their ability to shape the future of music education. These gatherings are not just events, but catalysts for growth, innovation, and community within the music education field.